This is the second flock, guys, that's here. This is, another flock. Oh no, this is Chiquis. This is Chiquis. That was Chiquis, the one that doesn't like to be tickled. She's got the yellow chick in one of her chicks. Hello, Chiquis. She knows me. Look how happy she is. Good morning, Chiquis. Good morning, Chiquis. That's her partner. Chiquis is not very friendly. I'm trying to train her, guys. So the cockatoo that was here just before, that's her hubby. It's over there. They're not very friendly, guys, but they're part of Petunia's flock. I don't know if they're much, they look to be much older than Petunia. Come on, Chiquis!